So guys, your boy here, and today I'm going to teach you guys Morse code. So let's start. First, let me teach you guys how to sound this out. So first A, like not A the dot, dash. So let's start A, B, C, D, E, F, H, and G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And same goes for the number. Dots are lower sounds and dashes are higher sounds. And with that, if you are able to learn it, do tell me though. Like make videos and small stuff and send it. Well, this is for all, and that's the whole setup. You can do the Morse code. And remember one thing: it's not how you do the sound. Like it's not like that. I have made the sound. Like you will have to copy the same sound. Any sound works. But for remember one thing: dots small, dashes high. And Morse code is also known as a phonic language. Simple meaning of Morse code also is literally just dots and dashes according to me. So yeah, that's easier way to learn it. And just a small thing before you all go. That's the way you spell SOS. And another small thing. Yeah, subscribe.